Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Essa. My age is 9 years. I have taken the web development course from Iqbal Town branch, PNY. I have made it an internet hub for gamers where people can upload their games, gameplays, tutorials and so more. My website contains 5,500 lines of code of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript. Here is the gameplays, hamburger icon and so more. People can upload their memes here and play games like Guess the Tag and do brain rot battles. They can even upload their game character series. They can upload their own mini characters. There is a character series, meme for the leaderboard. In the VS Code, there is the code of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript in one file named arena.html. We do CSS work in style tag and JavaScript in script tag. My experience was very good in PNY Trainings.